Hello and welcome back to the longest spreadsheet ever been produced. This is cash flow return on investment. We just had to finish up the cash flows on 9 and 10, so partway to number 9, and then throughout after that I'm going to be showing you and presenting the rest of the relevant intelligence tables that are down below after this section. Okay, so for that calculate the gross cash flows 4 to 9. Okay, 0. Non-depreciation assets number 9. Okay, 0 ROI number 9 equals to IRR, internal rate of return. Okay, so now gross investments number 10. Gross cash flows 1 to 10. Gross cash flows 3 to 10. Okay, gross cash flows 4 to 10. Okay, 0. Non-depreciation asset number 10. And C or cash flow return on investments number 10. Internal rate of return IRR. Well, okay. So that's going out my loans and in there. So present value. There. It's present value worksheet, $A, $5 worksheet. exclamation mark, $H47, 2.H47 brackets. Those are the relevant years for the big T. Very much the same sum table, except the very end the dollar sign letters change. Yeah, because I was down below. Yeah, it goes in order, alphabetical order. Here is the present value of this year existing asset with a big T. Now this is very, very difficult. I didn't want to type this here in case I get anything incorrect or mess anything up and get mixed up with the sums. So I've just percent and instead show it. So this is what I have to do to calculate the remaining years for the present value of the year for the existing assets for the big T. Pretty much the same except these letters change and these letters change too. That's basically everything else stays the same. That has to match up to the number that's in the relevant number table. So 57, $sign A, 57. This goes from 2 years, year 2 to year 20, so 18 years at the least. So it's basically calculate 18 long years. God, that's a lot to do. Anyway, that's basically what I have to show you. So go back to the worksheet, check see if there's anything that needs to be changed. Okay, those were calculated. So go back to the exhibit sheet. There we go. A growth project return rate on investments have been inserted into the sheet. Remember at the very start there was nothing into those answers. Nothing. Now we have the answers here. Because those are officially being calculated into the worksheet. That's very good. Let's check the other ones, the other sum tables that I calculated, see if there's any updates. Okay. Some future investments. Yeah, that's where I was at. Yeah, it's here. Yep, so the worksheets have been calculated here. Okay, so check value 2, show the return, and check. Yep, everything is actually now finished and completed. So So it's been a very long day today. It has been indeed a very, very long spreadsheet. So that's it for today. That is everything completed. So thank you all for watching this. If this has been the most difficult and most technical and challenging spreadsheet I ever done in my life. So this I consider this a proud achievement. So thank you all for watching this. I'll see you all very soon. Good night. Have a good weekend. Adios.